outside the without logging into the web browser, I want to create the workspace. How I can do that? There is an option new Power BI workspace. Then you can provide here whatever workspace name you want. You can provide it by using the parameter called as name parameter. Let's try to create here one workspace from the PowerShell. I copy this one. Then we are going here. Let me take one more sheet. Then this name we are trying to change as today's date. We are trying to change it. What is the today's date? What is the today's date? 10th.
10th March.
2022 03 then 10. Okay, this is the YYMMDD format. Now let's go try to create this one inside our workspace. Let's say I'm trying to execute it. Now it will be created. It's created here. You can see ID generated for this. Name is this one. Now if you go and try to observe in our browser, go to the workspaces. You should be able to see that one. Some reason you are not seeing means it may be issue of the refresh. Click on the refresh. Once you refresh, click on the workspaces, then try to observe. We are able to see Myla1 workspace 2022-03-10. But as of now, inside this one, there is no content. That's how we can create a workspace from PowerShell itself. You can able to create it. If you want to remove Power BI report from the workspace, you can able to do that also very easily. All we have to pass is what is the workspace ID? What is the workspace ID and what is the report ID? Both you have to pass it so that we can able to remove one Power BI report from our workspace. We're able to do it. For example, I will copy this code, whatever we have it. I copied here. Now the task is to you. I am going here, then I'll give one report name, try to remove that report from here. For example, I have here demo, not the demo. Demo has only one report. Let us go for ITEC workspace. In ITEC workspace, there is a CA sales data is available. This report I want to remove it. So if I click on the CA sales data, then we're able to see the URL. The URL I'm copying here. Let me copy it. Once we copy it, in this one, we have two things. First one, whatever available, what is this called as? Workspace ID or report ID? First one after groups, whatever available, that is called as workspace ID. Yeah, so go and try to put in the place of the workspace ID, you put it. Put in the space of the workspace ID, you try to put it. So we are pasting that one. Then we have here one more ID is available here. You can see after the reports, we have one more ID. This is the reports. There is a one more ID is available. This ID, whatever available, is a report ID. I'm copying that report ID. Then in the ID's position, I'm putting it. Now go and try to execute this line. Then notice that report is removed or not. Now, if you go back to here and observe the CA sales data report, click on this refresh, what will happen? It's saying as sorry, we could not find that report. Why it is not find? Because we removed it. If you go to the My Workspaces, then go to the ITEC workspace, you will not see CA report. We are not able to see here because it is removed. So if you want to remove very easily, you can able to remove this is a single line of code. And this is very interesting use case, add or remove users from workspace. If you want to remove or if you want to add the users to the respective workspaces, how you can do that. Okay, let's go try to do this one in the next video better.